So Front Row has been around since December 2009. It is also a 100% Filipino-owned multi-level marketing company. So Front Row's focus is on health, beauty, and wellness. Our products include slimming, detox and anti-aging, whitening and master antioxidant, immune booster, and disease prevention. So, explain ko na lang po isa-isa yung mga products po natin. So, our first product is Lux White Enhanced Glutathione. Glutathione is known to be a whitening supplement, wherein actually glutathione, since it's naturally produced by our body, it works as a master antioxidant. Nakakatulong po siya mag-detoxify ng liver, kidneys, lungs, and other organs. Ngayon, Lux White Enhanced Glutathione is a free form of glutathione wherein hindi na po kailangan ng vitamin C para mag-break down yung glutathione compounds. And then, Lux White has the highest dosage in the industry with 775 milligrams per capsule. So, this is an example of Lux White users. Andyan din po ako. Actually, ako yung nasa unang before and after. I used glutathione to get rid of my acne and acne scars. Meron din po tayong natanggap na Best Brand Excellence Award for Lux White Enhanced Glutathione, the most effective whitening supplement in the Philippines. Our next product is Lux Protect Pure Grapeseed Extract. This is used as an immune booster and also for disease prevention. So, grapeseed extract is filled with antioxidants that are known to be good for the heart, helps maintain blood pressure, also reduces stress, and improves the sleeping patterns. So, you can use this as a daily supplement. The next is Lux Slim L-carnitine and green tea extract. So, L-carnitine is also an amino acid naturally produced by our body. So, L-carnitine helps our body produce energy. So, it burns fat and converts it into energy. So, dito po papayat tayo naturally through perspiration. So, ang maganda po kasi sa slimming supplement po natin is it's non-laxative. At the same time, it's also not an appetite suppressant. Ngayon, meron po siyang green tea extract that is known to improve mental alertness and nakakaganda rin po siya ng blood circulation. So, here are examples ng mga gumamit po ng Lux Slim, L-carnitine, and green tea extract po natin. Our last product is Lux Renew 8-berry extract. Dito naman po pinagsama-sama yung 8 berries that are known to have the highest antioxidant levels of any fruit. So, altogether, they work as cancer fighters. They also fight diabetes. Tapos, nakakatulong din po siya mag-improve yung blood circulation and it's also good for the heart. Now, for ages 35 patas, it's very effective as an anti-aging as it delays the aging process. So, all our products are made in the USA by AIE Pharmaceuticals. We're also certified by CGMP. Meron din po tayong halal approval, seal of quality, and global brand. Now, Front Row is also a multi-awarded, multi-level marketing company with some of my favorite awards being the most trusted multi-level marketing company and the best multi-level marketing company in the Philippines. Front Row International officially launched its Quezon City office on January 23, 2012 in Pacific Century Tower, Quezon City. And then, just late last year, nilaunch po natin yung Makati office naman po natin. So, our Makati headquarters. So, this is just an example of how our Quezon City office looks like. And then, we also have offices nationwide. So, ang maganda po kasi dyan, if nakikita po niya yung province niya dito, at least meron na pong office na nag-start. Kung wala pa naman po, baka kayo pa ang makapag-start sa probinsya ninyo. So, Front Row has also gone global with having members in Asia, North America, South America, Europe, Africa, and Australia. And then, noong September 2014 po, nilaunch po natin yung first international office natin in Dubai. And then, January this year of 2015, we're opening our second international office, which will be in Abu Dhabi. Like I mentioned earlier, Front Row International is 100% Filipino-owned. It's owned by our president, R.S. Francisco, and our CEO, Engineer Sam Versosa. So our owners were featured in the 2010 Philippines Yearbook, the All New Power 88. This edition honors the 88 young businessmen and entrepreneurs who made a mark in the Philippine industry. So the Philippines Yearbook is a subsidiary of the Philippine Star, and they have been publishing since 1936. So dito po, aside from Front Row, ito po yung ibang companies na feature din. Now, Front Row happens to be the only multi-level marketing company featured in this coffee table book. Tapos, during this time, 1-year-old pa lang po ang Front Row. So, be part of this life-changing opportunity. So, simple lang po para maging part ng Front Row. Kailangan nyo lang po mag-avail ng isa sa mga Front Row packages po natin. So, meron po tayong whitening package, slimming package, anti-aging package, and all-star package. Ngayon, lahat po ng packages natin, these are good for 2 months consumption. Kasama po dyan, meron po tayong online portfolio, meron tayong sales kit, so meron po tayong application for Android and Apple wherein you can download the presentation. At of course, meron din po tayong free leadership and personality trainings. So, ang package po natin dito sa Front Row, you can avail it for only 10,988 pesos. So, kasama po dyan, magkakaroon po kayo ng micro-business opportunity wherein pwede nyo pong gawing negosyo ang pagme-member nyo po dito sa Front Row. And this can give you a maximum potential income of 600,000 pesos monthly. Ngayon, dito po sa Front Row, meron po tayong 3 ways of earning para kuha po natin yung 600,000 monthly. So, our first way of earning is through product sales or direct selling. Once na member na po kayo, magkakaroon po kayo ng 50% discount on all Front Row Wellness products. So, for example po, ang isang bottle po ng Lux White Enhanced Glutathione is 2,980 pesos. Once member na po kayo, makukuha nyo na lang po siya for 1,490 pesos. So that gives you 100% profit. Mababawi po niyo yung pinuhunan ninyo plus kumita kayo ng additional 1,490 pesos. Now, ang pinakagusto ko po talaga dito sa Front Row is wala po tayong quota when it comes to product selling or direct selling. So, depende po sa inyo kung gusto nyo pong magbenta or not. Now, the only time na magkakaroon po tayo ng quota in Front Row is if gusto nyo po maging part ng mga tour incentives po natin. Now, this is optional kung gusto nyo lang pong sumama. So, some of the countries na napuntahan na po is nakapunta na ng Hong Kong, nakapunta na rin po ng China, Thailand, Singapore, kasama na rin po dyan ang South Korea, Malaysia, and yung last year lang po most recent was to UAE, so Dubai and Abu Dhabi. Ngayon, ang maganda po kasi dito, ang nagka-qualify is 50 to 80 members. Ngayon, kung meron pong promo, i-explain naman po sa atin yung promo mechanics, but this happens annually. So, our second way of earning naman po is through direct sales commission. Meron po kayong 1,000 peso bonus every time po na makarecommend kayo ng Front Row package na worth 10,988. Now, our third way of earning naman is through group sales commission where you can earn an additional 2,000 peso bonus for every sales match. Dito na po papasok yung networking part ng business. So, let me just explain. So, for example, nag-join po kayo, magkakaroon po kayo ng slot sa computer. Magkakaroon po kayo ng left sales force and right sales force. So, to get your business started, kailangan nyo lang muna mag-recommend ng 2 friends. Kami na lang po magpe-present at mag-explain ng business. Ngayon, for example, nag-join si friend A, kikita po kayo ng 1,000 na commission. Ngayon, si friend B, pag nag-avail din po siya ng package worth 10,988, meron din po kayong makukuha na 1,000 pesos na referral bonus. Ngayon, since meron na pong nag-avail sa inyo sa left and meron din po nag-avail sa inyo sa right, makukuha nyo po yung 2,000 na pairing or sales match bonus. Ngayon, ang next step po natin is tutulungan po natin si A tsaka si B na kumita rin. So, si A magre-refer po ng dalawa, si B magre-refer din po ng dalawa. Ngayon, si A kikita rin po ng 4,000 and then si B kikita rin po ng 4,000. Sa inyo naman po, since meron ulit kayong packages sa left and merong ulit packages sa right, kikitain nyo po yung 2,000 na pairing bonus. So, ngayon po meron na kayong total of 8,000. So, syempre, hindi lang naman po dalawa lang ang friends natin. Meron pa rin pong mag-e-inquire sa atin, si Friend C. So, ngayon, since meron na po kayong package sa left at meron na po kayo sa right, si Friend C po ay lalagay po natin sa ilalim ng friend ni Friend A. Ang tawag po natin dito, spillover or yung gusto po naming tawaging tulungan system. So, since po kayo ang nag-refer kay Frenzy, meron po kayong 1,000 na referral bonus. Ngayon po, yung friend ni Friend A, natulungan nyo na po magkaroon ng isa, so ang hahanapin na lang po niya ay isa na lang. So, yung effort po niya nahati, pero yung income niya, makakuha pa rin po siya ng 3,000. 1,000 na referral plus 2,000 na sales match bonus. Ngayon, habang wala pa pong pumapasok sa kabilang side ninyo, ang tawag po dito is waiting to be paired. So, andyan lang po yan, it does not expire or hindi po siya mawawala. So, the minute na may pumasok po sa kabilang side ninyo, ay kikitain nyo yung 2,000 na sales match or pairing bonus. So, hanggang infinity na po yan, hanggat meron po kayong i-refer, tuloy-tuloy lang po yan. So, sa tatlong friends pong na-recommend po natin dito sa front row at natulungan natin, kumita na po kayo ng 13,000 pesos. So, this is the return of investment. Plus, meron po kayong products na worth 8,000 pesos. Ngayon po sa front row, kahit gaano kagulo po yung structure ninyo, hindi po kailangan perfect pyramid or hindi po kailangan pantay-pantay sa isang line, kikitain nyo po yung pairing bonus. So, for example, meron po kayong 4 sa left and 4 sa right, papasok pa rin po dyan yung 2,000 na pairing bonus for each pair. So, 4 times 2,000, that's an additional 8,000 pesos. Ngayon, for every 5th na pairing po natin, meron po tayong makukuha na gift certificate para ma-avail po natin yung front row products nang hindi na po tayo maglalabas ng cash. So, ang commission po natin dito sa front row is every week. So, this is every Friday. Ngayon, kung Manila-based naman po kayo, meron po tayong early check release wherein makukuha po natin siya Thursday pa lang. So, one of the common questions sa networking is yung paano natin masisigurado na yung company kumikita pa rin. So, dito po sa front row, meron tayong tinatawag na safety net wherein limited po tayo sa 15 sales matches per day, 30,000 per day, 150,000 per week, and 600,000 a month. So, an example po, kunyari nag-join po kayo, ang pumasok po sa inyo, 16 sa left and 16 sa right for today. Ako naman po, since medyo matagal na ang pumasok sa akin, is 30 sa left and 30 sa right for the day. Times 2,000 pesos na pairing bonus, ang dapat kikitain nyo is 32,000 pesos. Ako naman, ang dapat nakikitain ko is 60,000 pesos. Ngayon, since nangyari po yan sa atin, sa iisang araw lang, pareho natin kikitain is 30,000 pesos dahil natamaan tayo ng safety net. So, ang maganda po kasi dito, nasisigurado niya na walang nauna, walang nahuli sa ganitong business. So, it's an effort-based business. Ngayon, gusto ko lang pong linawin na ang limit lang po natin is when it comes to the networking part. Pero sa product sales for direct selling, wala pong limit. So, kahit ilan pong bottle ang mabenta ninyo, lahat po yan sa inyo mapupunta. So, now, sa ngayon po, I think we're around 42 millionaires. Kumbaga sa exam, 42 na po kaming pumasa at naging successful dito sa front row. And then, madami po pong iba, all walks of life. Mayroon po tayong students, working, OFW. So, kaya we're continuously expanding worldwide para mas madami po kaming matulungan na mga kababayan. And then, ito po yung ibang mga may resulta dito sa front row. So, sinishare po namin yan, hindi po para mayabang, kundi para po ipakita sa inyo na ito yung posibleng mangyari sa inyo kung gagawin nyo yung ganitong klase ng negosyo. Ngayon po, uulitin ko, simple lang naman maging part ng front row. Kailangan nyo lang po mag-avail ng package Pwede kayong pumili from whitening package, antioxidant package, or slimming package. So our packages each cost 10,988. Ngayon po, meron po kayong option na mag-multiple accounts wherein pwede kayong bumili ng more than one package. Sa isang package po kasi, ang pwede nyo pong kitain is, pag nag-refer po kayo ng apat, meron kayong 4,000 na direct referral. And then, meron kayong additional na 4,000 na sales match bonus. Ngayon, ang multiple accounts na pwedeng i-avail sa front row is a maximum of 3 accounts lang po. So, ang advantage po niyan compared to single account is, pag nag-refer po kayo ng apat, kikitain niyo po yung 4,000 na referral, plus meron pa po kayong referral sa sarili ninyo since kayo po ang nag-refer ng second and third account ninyo. Ngayon, since sa inyo po si account 1, meron po kayong makukuha na 2,000 na pairing bonus sa second and third account nyo, plus another 2,000 and another 2,000. So, may 6,000 na po kayo sa first account nyo. Since sa inyo rin po yung second account, meron kayong additional 2,000 na pairing bonus. And since sa inyo din ang third account, meron kayong additional 2,000 na pairing bonus. So, ang total po niyan na pairing bonus is 10,000 na sales match. So, that's a total of 16,000. So, ito po comparison lang ng one account, you can earn up to 7.2 million per year. Sa 3 accounts naman po, pwede kayong kumita ng 21.6 million per year.
Hi, I'm Richardson Hernandez. Papa-encash ko ngayon yung cheque ko for the whole month of September and October. Ito yung mga cheque ko. So, pakita ko sa iyo. So, ito, September 4, 2014, 26,100 and 91,350. After 1 week, September 11, 89,100 and 7,200. After 1 week, September 18, 14,400 and 91,800. After 1 week, September 25, 9,900 and 91,800. After 1 week, October na, October 2, 2014, 84,600 and 9,900. After 1 week, October 9, 108,450 and 34,650. After 1 week, October 16, 108,000 and 60,700. After 1 week, October 23, 85,950 and 63,450. After 1 week, October 30, 99,000 and 32,400. For the whole month of September and October, ang total ko, 1,120,000. And may kasama pang gift certificate na 312,000. So, ang total ko nito, in just 2 months, ang total ko 1,432,000 in just 2 months. Almost 1.5 million. 2 buwan lang yan dito sa front row. Eto, nandito tayo ngayon sa Union Bank. Papa-encash natin to ngayon. So, antayin ninyo, magiging pera na to. Guys, nakuha ko na. Ito, kakapain-cash ko lang ng cheque ko. Ito yung total lang lahat. September tsaka October. Total niya, 1,120,000. Plus, kasama yung GC, ang total nito, 1,432,000. 2 buwan lang. So, ito yung pera. Hindi ko mabuhat sa sobrang dami. So, grabe, sobrang sarap mag front row. So, kung hindi ka pa front row ka na, sabayan mo kami. So, next month ulit.
Dito kami sa BDO ngayon, magpapa-encash ako. So, ito yung weekly checks ko. 49,000. Tuloy-tuloy na lang yan, hindi ko na nga monitored siya. So, every Friday yan. So, papapalit ko siya, papa-encash ko siya. Ganyan kasarap sa front row. Isipin mo linggo-linggo, saan ka makakita ng ganyang opportunity. Hindi lang yan, kumikita na ako, linggo-linggo, double blessing pa kasi katulad niyan, kakabili ko lang ng third car ko. Hindi lang basta-basta kotse, sports car naman. At may papakita ako sa inyo. Kaya mag-front row ka na rin. Grabe, nababaliw ako. May income na ako, 300,000. Meron pa akong bagong kotse.